So I want you to imagine this. You're a filmmaker, and by filmmaker, I mean anybody that's ever pulled out a camera of any sorts, whether it be your phone, a GoPro, or a Red cinema camera. Anybody that's ever recorded anything with the hopes of posting it or even saving it for a later date. You're a filmmaker and you buy a piece of equipment in hopes to capture a specific moment, just to find out that about 50% of the footage that you record will be unusable. Devastating for any filmmaker. And that is why I switched from using the GoPro Max 360 camera to the Insta360 X3. So now that you have an understanding of my frustration, let's get into the details. What's up everybody, my name is Andrew, welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, make sure you guys drop a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and today we're getting into why I switched from using the GoPro Max to the Insta360 X3. So let me give you guys a little backstory. I started out using the GoPro Max around the holidays of 2021. So I used the camera for just a little under a year. And in that time, I've had two brand new cameras out of the box because one of them got destroyed, so I had the warranty and got it replaced. Now, I had issues with both of these cameras. The first camera had issues with the batteries. It wouldn't turn on, it wouldn't turn off. I had to manually pull the battery out to get it to turn off and reset it. I did factory resets, I did firmware updates. I could just never get the camera to operate properly. And when you spend $500+ on a camera, you'd expect it to work the way it's supposed to. So the first camera, not a big deal, I could get around it, at least I could record my footage. But once I got onto the second camera, it was problem after problem. Not only was I having the same issues that I did with the first camera, but now it was saying a lot of my files were corrupted. So what would happen is, as I'm out riding, recording videos as normal, the camera had a hell of a time operating in the way it was supposed to, whether it be starting recording, turning on, turning off in the middle of recording, and the worst of all, corrupting the files. So at first, when I noticed the files started being corrupted, it was a big shock and I couldn't believe I could not use the footage or recover it. And fast forward to later on, it was a normal occurrence and I only ever expected to get about 50% of the footage that I recorded for that day. Again, very frustrating as a filmmaker. So I researched online solutions, other people having the same issues, and I came across a lot of people saying the same thing. So what did I do? I tried different SD cards. I tried resetting the camera. I tried updating the camera. All of these things that I kept trying to do, and I never found a good solution. So after a long trip of riding with my dad and hoping to get some footage of riding with him, I had finally had enough of not being able to use the footage and decided to trade the GoPro in for an Insta360 X3. And as for now, the Insta360 has been a fantastic camera. There are quite a few different features on the X3 versus the GoPro Max, my favorite being the dash cam mode. You can record your entire trip and only save the last 5, 10, or 15 minutes of that trip, so you save yourself some battery life. As far as the footage goes, both cameras shoot amazingly high quality 360-degree 4K video. I have no issues with the way the GoPro camera shot, with the way the footage looked. It was all with the functionality of the camera and the frustrating nature of not being able to edit your own footage. So what's the moral of this story? I didn't make this video to bash GoPro or praise Insta360, although I'll probably make a video about that later. I made this video to tell other people the issues that I had with GoPro, even though there are probably tons and tons of people that haven't had issues and have had tremendous success with GoPro. But I wanted to bring these issues to light. Maybe GoPro will see this video and try to fix their problems or understand what was causing them. So the moral of this story, no matter what camera side you're on, buy the product warranty. I've now had 3 cameras for the price of 1 because I bought the warranty, and it has saved my ass in multiple different occasions. So with that, make sure you guys drop a comment. Let me know if you've had the same issues or if you found a solution, what you think of each camera depending on which one you have. And also make sure to drop a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and we will see you guys in the next video. Peace.